Me share my screen. Okay. So now Google Sheets. I'm sure that you have heard of spreadsheet before. Have you heard of that before?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yes.
I want to show you the interface now. Let's say, for example, I want to fill in customer details, like customer details, or I want to register people and I want to get their details. I getting it, their details one by one. All you just have to do is to use Google Sheets. For Microsoft, they used to call it Microsoft Excel. I'm sure that you have heard of Excel
Mm.
before.
Yes. Yes.
So this one is not. I'm sure I've heard of Excel before. So the Google one is called Google Sheet. So I just have to come here, sheets.google.com. That's what they call it. Okay, it's actually docs. Sorry. It's actually docs.google.com slash spreadsheet. So I'm going to type that now on the chat box so that you can see what I'm saying. So you come to docs.google.com, and so what you do is, let's say I want to create a new one, a new spreadsheet. Everything, if you know how to use Google Docs, you can actually use Google Sheet. Do you understand? It's just that some things will change. There are some things you need to understand, right? Google Sheet is kind of technical to some extent, right? As usual, this one now I can name it. I can put it like maybe user. Sorry, I wanted to type here user data. Do you understand? Do you understand? User data. So now what I'll do is I'll type in my now user data. Let's say for example, I want it to be name. Now, you know how table used to be now? Like as if you want to draw a table that has name. Okay, let's name, address, abi, phone number, email address.
Mm.
That's what we want to do here now. So that you understand it. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now I will start now. I'll just come here to this column and type in name. I getting it. I'll come to this column. I'll type in phone number. I see what I'm doing. Then I'll come to this column.
Mm.
I type in email address. Is that making sense?
Yeah, but some of these write up here, they are covering the screen.
What write up?
Say my instant meet by Ohakwe.
No, you can exit
The
now.
recording.
Yeah, exit.
Eh?
Just click X. Just click on that cancel icon. X icon.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Is it moved now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, awesome. All right. So once you click on name, phone number, email address, what other one again? Let's say uh notes or what other this thing do you want me to put?
Who gender?
Gender. God bless you. Gender. All right. So now we have all this now. Let's use this for now. If I want to make all these things to be the same font, you know what is font? Font is like,
Yes.
yeah. So if I want it to look at fonts now, if I click here now, the same thing with Google Docs. You see fonts now. If I want everything to be like the same font, I just have to highlight. I taught you highlight the other time. So I'll do Control A.
Control.
Awesome, awesome. You're learning. So now we have Vedana. So I'll put Vedana. Everything will turn to Vedana. And I can change it to like big. You see, I can change the font size. This is what they call font size, right? So I'll put it
Mm.
like 10, for example. Now, what I want to do again is that I want to really that this space will not reach for name. So people's name are as long as Goliath. So I can actually widen this, right? And for me to widen it, I just have to come here. Now, if you look very closely, before I highlighted on that place, before I hovered on that place, you see that there was nothing like that black stuff. But when I hovered on it, you see that black stuff, right? You see it.
Mm.
Yeah. So I'll just hold. Now I'll hold my left click, and then I'll just move it. I getting it. I'll move it to anywhere I
Yeah.
want to move it to. If I want to move it here
Mm.
now, you see, did this what happen now?
Yes.
Awesome. So now I move it now. By that now you see that it's now longer. If I want to move this one too, I can do it this way. See what I'm
Mm.
doing. I still come over here, hold it, move. Come here, hold it, move. Are you getting it? So like this now,
Yeah.
I want to make it clean as possible. The next thing I'll do now is to put the names. Let's say I have Chidozie Moses, for example. Phone number. You have my phone number already. But let's say is and then email address. I put my email address as dmoses. Uh, sorry. And then my gender. I put something like male. I get it. Then if I now come to your name now, say Amaka, you put your name, then phone number, put any generic phone number, right? Put your email, I getting it, and then put your this thing, put it as female, I getting it. Then if I come down again, I can still put Ignatius Loyola. I just forming names, so I just put this, and then I put ggg at gmail.com. Once I put ggg, you can still come here and put mail. Now, why doing with this? This is how they feel. I getting it. This is how you feel data. I getting it. Now, when I want
Mm.
to now turn this to a table, I want to turn this to a table, right? Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So if I want to now turn this to a table now, I can actually highlight it by doing Control A again. And then what I'll now do is click on insert. I see when I click on insert, I'll scroll down and then I'll see something like um so I'll click on format. Yeah. I'll click on format and I'll see something like convert to table. And once I click on it, it will convert to table. Can you see?
Okay.
So you see now it is more beautiful than what you had before.
Okay, the lines are gone.
Yeah, you can see now that it's now like a table. Can you see now?
Mm.
Awesome. So now, if I now want to, let's say for example, I want to add, let's say how much I paid. Let's say I'm paying for a training. I say, and then I'll just put amount paid. I want to use it to practicalize something. Let's say for example,
Okay.
this person paid. Uh, let's say I paid. Let's say the cost maybe. Let's say I paid 5,000, 5,000 naira, right? So I'm going to put amount paid. The amount paid is in naira. Amount paid is in naira. I have to specify that is in naira. I getting it. Now let's say it's 5,000 naira. Then Amaka, you paid like something like 3,000 naira. Are you seeing it? Then maybe next week I paid something like 5,000 naira. Are you getting it? Now if I want to now get the total for this, are you getting it? Are you there?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So if I want to if I want to add all these things together, I don't need to go to calculator and be pressing 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 5,000. That is still stressful. You understand?
Mm.
It's stressful. So now I want to create an automated way to do this thing. Very simple. What you just have to do is there's what they call functions. They call it functions. Are you getting it? That's what they call it.
Mm.
So what is basically helping you to do is to help you to do calculations, help you to do some tasks very easily. And so what I want to do in this section is to show you the easiest way. I mean the basics, like basic ones, because you may be dealing with some user data, maybe a customer bought something, you want to automate it or many of other stuff, right? Or you want to get a data from a particular place or something, right? Or form or something. You need to know how all these things works. Now, if I want to now add all these things normally, I'll normally go to calculator and put 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 5,000. But because you are using tech now or you are using the digital system, you don't need to do that. There's a function called equals to, we call it sum. And so for us to actually get it, if you look up, do you see letters above? Do you see
Yes, yes,
A,
yes,
B,
yes.
C, D, E? Now, that is trying to tell you where each of these block lies. Like this name is under what?
Under A,
Good. Phone number is under what?
B,
Email address under what?
C.
Yeah. So now this amount paid is under what?
It's under E.
Yes. So now E now has children. E is the father. Are you getting it? Then E now has children. Children like they call it E1, E2, E3. You understand?
Okay.
E1, E2, E3. Now for me to now get the total of all this, all I just have to do is to do equals to, then do sum. There's what they call. Are you seeing that there are lots of functions? I get it. And if you over on it, it will tell you the meaning of all those functions. I getting it. So if I click on sum
Mm.
now, I'll click on sum. If I click on sum, it has already suggested what I will do. Now it's telling me to add everything, which is E2 plus E4. If you look very closely, it's E2 plus E4. I want to add this everything together. So the ratio of E2 to E4, that's what I want to do. So I'll just do E2 to, and I'll click enter. And you see it automatically added it. Will I use calculator?
No.
Now, if I want to now change this number to 6,000, for example, it will automatically change. What? I click, once I change, I click enter. Did you see what happened? Did you see what happened?
What did you change?
I changed from 5,000 to 6,000. Okay, let me change
Okay.
again.
What?
I changed, look at now, the total is 14,000, Abi.
Yes.
Once I change to 10,000, you see that it will change. I click 10,000, I click on enter. Look at what happened. Did you see it change?
Okay.
See? So automatically, I don't need to stress myself. I just need to set the system and it adds up as much as it wants to add up. Do you understand now?
No, that E1 to E4. I didn't get that one clear.
Which side?
E1 to E4.
Okay. So we have E now. This is E now. This is E2. Chidoze is under
Right.
E2. This is E now. This is 2. Do you understand?
Okay.
This is E. This is 2. So it's E2. Now, this side is E3. You see it? Amaka is
Okay.
under E3. Ignesh is under what?
E5.
E4. E4. I know say E4.
E okay.
Do you see it now? So now, if I want to add these three numbers now. I now gave a formula here. They call it a function. I just put equals to sum because I want to add everything. So the function is sum. So it has already suggested that I should add it. I want to add sum of the I want to add sum of 2 to 4. I'm getting it. So once I click on it,
Mm.
18,000. You understand now?
Okay.
Yes. So now if I change this number now, say I change it to 20,000. Did you see what happened?
Okay.
So you see that I did not
Okay.
stress
You click
myself.
on enter.
You said?
You click on enter. When you change
Exactly.
it, you click on
Exactly.
enter.
As I click on enter, it automatically changed the whole thing. You understand now?
Okay.
Please give me some
Mm.
sec. I want to charge my laptop. Just give me some sec.
Okay.
Are you there with me now? Are you there with me?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Awesome. Yes. Okay. So now, if I now come to let- so if I come to this place now, let's say I put tripled or doubled or something. I want to just show you something. Let's say I put amount doubled, or let's say no, let me say I put units. Yeah, units. I put units. Let's say I'm coming. Oh, I want to show something to you. Now, if I bought now, let's say for example that product was 20,000. I bought 2 units. I get it.
Mm.
Let's say I bought 2 units. I'm coming, please. Sorry. Just give me some sec. Okay. All right. All right. So now let's say I bought 2 units. I can just put 2 units here. Are you getting it? I put 2 units,
Mm.
and let's say I put 3 units here, and then let's say I put 4 units here, and let's say I put 5 units here. Now I can actually set this column, right? This column now. Are you getting it? I can actually set this
Mm.
column times. You know, if I buy 2 units of a particular product, if one product is sold for 20,000, if I buy 2 units, that's 40,000, Abi.
Yes.
So now I want to now do that formula in this place where as I put as the number of units here with this amount paid. You understand? This is mathematics now. I don't know if you
Yeah.
understand. Ehen. So now
Yeah.
I want to, this unit now times this amount paid. All I just have to do is come here. This is G, Abi.
Mm.
So now for me to now get a calculation here, I have to times F2, Abi, F what? 2 times E what? Are you there?
F. Okay. The which one is under F now? The total.
No, I want to times units and amount paid. How do I do it? Yeah,
Okay. Your name is under E2,
exactly.
but your the column now you are under F.
No, I'm not under F. Like, forget about where I'm under. I want to times amount paid and unit. What do I use?
Is the amount times two?
Amount paid Abi times 2. So I want,
Times
but you know that on the total, that's not what I'll type. I'll not put amount times 2. What, you know, I'm going to use the row. So is it, so how are you going to do it? I want to ask, I'll see if you are following.
the total for that is 20,000 times two. Now that's 40,000.
Yeah, good. That's 40. We know that that's the calculation. But I'm saying if I want
Eh,
to now set that formula here so that I don't have to be repeating it, like I don't have to be calculating for my head, how will I put it? You know that here we did E2, E4, sum. But here now, what should I do?
I don't know.
Okay, now let me make it easier for you. This is F. Now, if you want to do any formula, pay attention to first the column, the column that you are in. Now, you know that
Eh,
units want to do 20,000 times 2 are B. So
yes.
20,000 is what? E what?
E2.
Good. Now, 20,000 times 2 are B. So E2 times, where is 2 under? 2 is under what?
F.
F what?
F2.
Good. So that means for you to get that formula, it is what?
E2.
Uh-huh.
E2 plus F2.
No, now it's times. Now it's not times that we are doing.
Okay. E2 times F2.
Perfect. So that's it, right? So we have E2 times F2. So we'll do E2, right? So for us to get that product, we have to get product, which is equals to. So you first of all add equals to, right? And then you do E2. Now the times now. Times is that asterisk. Abi, are you seeing it?
Yes.
You can see that some lines are showing that you're actually on point. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
And then I'll just
Eh,
add F2. So I don't need to put H2. Put F2. Click on enter. Did you see what happened now?
yes.
So now, if I want to now replicate this same formula for everything here, you know I don't need to do that E3 times F3. I don't need to do that. You know?
Okay.
So this is what I will do. So once I click on this, you see this line that is here. Are you
Mm.
seeing this thing here? Come under it. Then you see this plus sign. Are you seeing the plus sign?
Eh,
Hold your left stick and then your cursor and drag it down. Look at what happened.
wow.
She say, wow. She say, wow. Powerful, Abby. That's powerful.
Yes, yes.
So you see, so with it now, you can see that 3,000 times 3 is what? 9,000. 5,000 times
9,000.
4 is what? So if I
Yes.
keep adding it, even if I reach here, I can still just hold this. I still have plus I drag it down. And so do you know why it's showing zero?
Because, okay, there.
You know why it's showing zero
That's
here?
the total. That's the total.
That's the total. And it's not even, it's not about that is the total. There's nothing again that is going to times. Do you understand?
Okay, yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Exactly.
You did not put amount there. That's the
Exactly.
unit.
A unit, I didn't add. So even if I want to put total here now, I didn't add. So that's why it's showing zero. Do you understand?
Mm,
So this is how they do almost of those spreadsheets that you see. So if somebody says you should do data entry, fill in data. This is how you do it. It's not hard. I get it. This is like basics of data entry. And even if you don't know a formula to do something, just simply research. But these are the most popular ones that we have. Most popular ones. Do you understand now?
mm, yes.
So I'm sure that this one now you go home and do research, you practice. So I've given you two tasks now. The first task is go and sell that Google My Business profile spreadsheet. Once I share the record, you go and sell it properly. Secondly, this one, go and create a document, create a user data document. Like 10. I want to see 10 people that you feel practice all these things that I've said. Practice it as much as you can. You see that it will just be part of you. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. I hope you do you learn anything today? Did you learn anything? Is there any question?
Oh, wow. Hey. Mm,
Hey.
okay, question. Oh.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Like when that Google My Business,
Yes.
there was this one that has picture.
Okay, the one that the business that I opened that had picture.
Picture, yes.
Yes.
How do you upload that picture?
Okay, so once you create the account, right? Once you create the
Yeah.
account, the next thing you do is to immediately it will give you like a dashboard. So I'll give you an example. Trying to look for. I'm trying to. Okay, let me see. Let's give you an example. So if I go to my Google Business profile, I'm going to use that as an example. So if I go to Google Business profile, right? Now look at this. This is the profile I manage. If I click on this view profile, this is like the dashboard that you see. Are you understanding?
Mm,
So once I come here now, the next thing I'll do is to click on photos. Are you getting it? I'll click on photos
mm,
and then I'll just add photos and that's all. You
okay.
calculate ahead. So now if I want to even add, if I want to edit the profile, add all this text, this is where you do everything. It's usually something like this. Do you understand?
Mm.
Yeah.
Now, this one, you created this one, it's your own.
Yes, it's actually actually a business that they gave me access to manage. You understand?
Mm,
So this is how it is. When you set everything up, this is how it usually is. You can ask for review. If you ask for review, you actually copy the link. You can share it with on WhatsApp. You can actually create posts itself. You can create articles, create posts, and all of that. You understand?
okay, now, is the person that created it that can have access to it? How about the
Yes,
business owner?
yes. The business owner has to have access to it, but then you can also create it for that business and then give the person access. Give the person access to that profile. What you just have to do is just collect the person's email address and you give the person access.
Okay.
That is not hard. But when you get a business or something, we can actually do it online.
Okay.
Are you on Facebook? Have you created your Facebook account?
I have the one I'm using now. It said I
Okay,
should not create new.
okay. Search for my name and connect with me. We're going to do something now. I'm going to tell you a post that you come up with now. A post that you come up with that story tomorrow.
So what's your Facebook name?
Chidozie Moses. Is my name is my name.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So search for my name. So this is what I want you to do. This is what I want you to. So come up with a story. Now that story is your story. So what that means is, oh hi, my name is so and so, right? And I'm kind of giving a proper introduction. So a few days ago, precisely last week, I decided to take the transition into tech, for my teaching career. So I want to, explore tech. And to start with, I started learning about what you start listening, start talking about what you have learned so far, right? You talk about what you have learned. You can also mention my name. You can be like, depending on the so and so. I've learned this. I've learned this. I'm looking forward to how this will pan out. Um, I am open to learning from people, many of that. And what you want to do with that is start sharing your story. Start sharing your story, right? Start sharing your story. That is how you actually get people to resonate with you and actually pay for your product. Do you understand? Pay for your products or pay for your service